Hi guys, you're welcome back. Messi and Ike show. How Messi spent her Baby Naija prize money. Messi Ike, the winner of 2019 Baby Naija reality TV show, has planned again to shake the atmosphere with a new business plan. Messi, who recently came out with an excellent idea of hosting the first couple reality TV show in Nigeria titled What Next, has again revealed her next plan on the third edition of the show. After she complained to her sister Promise that she was not feeling too well and dressed up to see her doctor, she returned with good news. According to Mercy, her doctor, after running some tests, said she's okay but needs to take things slow, take more water and just rest. That brought some amount of relief into the spines of her fans, who have been worried about what could be wrong with Lambo. After she returned from home with two bags, obviously from shopping on her way back from the hospital, she got a call from her lawyer, Mr. Chijioke, who reminded her of her meeting earlier scheduled for the day. She ran down for the meeting she attended 3 p.m. against 10 a.m., which was the earlier scheduled time. She might be forgiven because of the complaint she made about her health, which took her to the hospital. Seeing her legal team already waiting for her showed how serious the meeting was going to be, but no one, including you, could have guessed what they were going to talk about. So Mr. Chijioke opened up on the reason for the meeting, and it was about a new business plan. He said they have almost concluded plans Messi's plans to go into real estate business, and documentation processes are on the Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC). Guess what? The name will be Lambo Homes. So Messi took over the talk and said she has always loved to go into real estate business and has been into it before going on the Big Brother Naija show. She also opened up on what she used the money she won on the show for. She said she used the money on real estate business, which is her passion. Messi won prize worth 60 million naira, with 30 million naira of it in cash and the rest as car deals, trips and many others. So if you have been wondering what she used her prize money for, now you know. Remember, many have also asked questions about where she got the 75 million naira she spent on her newly acquired 4-bedroom duplex Lagos apartment from. Okay, so many gists are coming out of the Messi and Ike show. If you're not watching it, stay tuned to Naija News, and I'll be bringing you more highlights from the show. Okay, guys, moving on. Truly, nobody saw this part coming for Messi. On today's episode 3 of Messi and Ike show, Messi was seen in a meeting with a legal advisor and some other colleagues of his, and they were discussing the various strategies for launching of the real estate firm Messi is working on. The proposed name is Lambo Homes. This is definitely a shocker for our fans, as she kept this a big secret till now. This will surely be a banger, just as many other things that have to do with Messi. However, Messi is still contemplating on the possibility of her moving in with Ike. Her sister advised her against this. Messi's sisters think it will not be a good idea to live with a man she's not married to yet. Worse still, with their mom coming later, it will be absurd for Messi to be in one room while Messi's mom to be in one room while Messi stays with Ike in the other room. Messi and Ike show is definitely a banger. Stay tuned to Naija News. I will be giving you more highlights from the episode 3 of Messi and Ike show. Alright guys, lastly from the Messi and Ike show episode 3, one of the highlights of today's Messi and Ike show episode 3 is that Ike is insinuating he deserves half the prize money Messi won from Big Brother Naija. According to him, he paid all his coins in the house, which helped her to win the show, so he deserves it. What actually led to this was when Mercy had to go to the UK for a small vacation to rest, and after her doctor advised that she took some rest as she was fatigued. Unfortunately, Ike couldn't go with her as his schedule was fully booked at the time. So Mercy went ahead and traveled without him. Subsequently, when Mercy was pictured online chilling and relaxing with her friend Willie in the UK, Ike became concerned. At this point, he went to his friend Magneto to find out what he thinks about his relationship with Mercy. It was in that conversation with his friend that Ike revealed he wished they were in the States. According to him, a lot of things would have been different. He said they would have moved in together and probably had one or two businesses together by now if they were in the States. When his friend reminded him that he has to bear with Mercy's excesses, as that is the price he has to pay for being with her, Ike responded that he has been paying since in the house. Apparently, Ike wants a share of Mercy's money, so all those talk of how hard she works and how she inspires him were just story. Mercy and Ike Show, episode 3. What do you have to say about this money Ike is requesting from Mercy? Let me know in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.